Hey everyone, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix any Instagram bug. If you're interested in Instagram marketing, growing your account and making money from Instagram, check out our free Instagram resources and newsletter below. But now let's see how to fix any Instagram bug. Before you follow this tutorial, make sure you have the latest version of Instagram by checking in the Play Store or in the App Store for any updates. You can also check to see if Instagram is down by searching up "Is Instagram down?" If it is, wait a little bit and see if the problem goes away on its own. If none of this applied, on Android you can try clearing cache or offloading the app on iPhone. To clear cache on Android, go to Settings and scroll down to Apps. Find Instagram from the list that pops up and tap on it. Choose Storage and tap on Clear Cache at the bottom right of the screen. Alright, so this will hopefully help you fix any Instagram bug.
I hope you found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to check out our Make Money with Instagram checklist for free, or the Instagram Growth Checklist, other Instagram marketing resources and deals. Also, we have a free weekly Instagram marketing newsletter for which you can sign up below. And last but not least, if this tutorial was not up to date, make sure to check out our more detailed and updated tutorial blog post as well, which you can also find in the video description below.